Are you feeling overwhelmed by constant messages from someone? Let's explore how to regain your peace without blocking them. First, let's talk about muting notifications. You can mute conversations for a specific period without cutting ties. To mute a conversation, open Messenger, find the chat, tap on the name, and select mute. It's that simple. If you want more freedom, consider archiving your chats. This keeps your inbox clean without unfriending or blocking anyone. To archive a chat, swipe left on the conversation and tap Archive. This removes it from your main view, but retains the chat. Lastly, communicate. Let them know that you need some space for a while. Honest conversations can often clear misunderstandings. Remember, you have the power to control your messaging experience. Use these tools wisely. With muting or archiving, you can manage unwanted distractions while preserving friendships. Always remember, your mental health comes first. Establish boundaries where necessary to create a happier digital space. Choose who enters your digital world wisely. You deserve a peaceful and gratifying online experience. That's it! Now you know how to navigate unwanted messages like a pro. Take your time and enjoy your conversations. If you found this helpful, like and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more tips.